Hi, it's Michael Ceely. I'm a high performance coach, and here are 3 things that you need as a high performer to be successful. You master these 3 things, and you can't not be successful. Check it out. So let's start out with the number 1 thing, which is your desire to win. How do you know if you have the desire? A couple things. One is when you see other people win, you want to do that. And that can manifest in being jealous of those people, not the healthiest thing, but that's sort of a kind of a tell to know if you have that competitive passion in you. Another thing that you can tell if you really, really love or have a desire for your endeavor is that you're really proud of some of the wins that you do have and that you aspire to win even more. It's like this hunger, insatiable kind of hunger. You know, there's unhealthy manifestations of that and healthy ones. We can get into that at some point. But the point is you have to have that burning desire in you. Okay, the second thing, number 2, that you have to be a successful high performer is you have to be around a group of like-minded people. Your peer group really determines your level of success. You see, as humans, we are really wired to be part of a tribe, part of a group, and feel accepted by that tribe, to actually mirror the same behaviors. It becomes this paradigm where you just believe pretty much what everyone else believes. You have a certain level of standards that group has, and you settle at that level. So if you want to perform at your highest level, you need to be around a group of high performers, people that think the way you do or that are on a higher level than you, and you will automatically level up to that level or you won't. So I would choose a level that's just a little bit above you so that you can get comfortably and successfully to that level and then perhaps level up after that. Or at very least, you want to be on a team either in sports or business where people have the same standards, at least your level of standards. Otherwise, you're not going to be successful. You're going to be frustrated with that group that you're working with. Okay, the third thing that you must have as a high performer is good habits. You need basic championship habits. That means getting up earlier than most people. That means daily exercise. That means having a routine that you can sustain over the long haul. And that means work-life balance. I know that sounds like a cliche, but you have to have work-life balance. Whatever that means for you. You don't have to do the things that everyone else does, but you have to have a way to recharge, to get out of the zone, kind of mix it up, have a little variety in your life. So let's start with the first most important thing, in my opinion, is exercise. You got to get some exercise every day. You don't have to be a super athlete, but at least 30 minutes of exercise, preferably in the morning in sunlight, is going to set you up for success for the day. Some other success habits that you need to implement in your daily routine are things like morning gratitude, some sort of a journaling. Okay, you might say, well, I don't like writing. I'd rather do it on my phone. I'd rather not do it at all. I know what I'm grateful for. Listen, some morning gratitude, just writing down a couple things that you're grateful for and reflecting on it for 3 minutes, centers your brain and your body for high performance for the day. And moreover, what it does is it starts to reprogram your subconscious mind to start seeking out positivity and positive solutions throughout the day. So you don't even know that you're doing it, but you're reprogramming your subconscious mind to look for positivity and positive solutions. More high performance habits would include work-life balance, and that's individual for each person. Okay, you don't have to take a 2-week vacation. If you're wired like me, a 2-week vacation would probably drive you crazy. But maybe that is what you need. It's very individual, okay? But the point is, you need to have certain activities daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly that recharge you, that make you feel happy to be alive. You're a human being, you're not a robot. You need to have some fun, you need to recharge. So that could be a vacation, it could be doing some sort of adventure travel. It could be more time with your friends and family. Whatever it is for you, you know what recharges you and makes you happy and gets you out of that grind zone. Okay, you can't be in that grind zone forever. All right. So that about sums it up. The 3 things that I've seen in my own personal life and working with a lot of clients that are essential for success: burning desire to win. Number 2, peer group. That might even be the most important thing. If you're around high-performing people, you will perform at a higher level. And number 3, like I mentioned, high-performance habits. You need to have some habits that are really conducive to being a high performer, okay? So again, I'm Michael Ceely. I'm a high-performance coach. My background is in road cycling. I was a professional road cyclist. I've also had a couple of businesses, successful psychotherapy practices. I'm a licensed therapist as well. So if this is resonating with you, this video, you're probably like me, you're wired the same way. If you're interested in working with me, I do offer executive coaching, coaching for athletes, and coaching for business owners. So if you want to work with me, you can connect with me here via the video or wherever you're seeing this, michaelceely.com. You can see all of my coaching programs there. And I hope whatever you're doing, whatever type of endeavor that you're doing, that you love it. And I'd love to see you perform at an even higher level and be successful. Thanks for watching.